For this example, we're going to work out the mode and the range for information that's presented in a group frequency table. Okay? So to work out the mode, we're looking for the most popular piece of information, or the one that turns up the most often. In this case, we're trying to identify the class interval that is the most popular. And the way we do that is by quickly looking at the frequencies that are given. So again, the mode is the most popular, the most often. That's usually the words that are linked to it. But for group frequency tables and data that's given in this sort of format, we're looking for the class interval with the highest frequency. And we just need to, again, look at the frequencies, and you can see that 8 is the biggest frequency. Therefore, the modal class interval is going to be 0 to 10 centimeters. The modal class interval is 0 to 10 centimeters because it has the highest frequency when compared to the others. To work out the range has the same kind of definition. It's the biggest take away the smallest. That's the difference between the biggest and the smallest. Usually when we have a listed set of data, we try and identify the biggest and the smallest pieces of information, but we can't do that in this. We have a range. The class intervals are given as a range. Therefore, the only thing we have is the biggest value in the intervals and the smallest value in the intervals, and that's what we're going to use to work out the range. So you're going to write down the definition for range, which is the biggest take away the smallest. And then you're going to look at your table, and we can see that the biggest is 30 and the smallest is 0. So it's going to be 30 centimeters, take away 0 centimeters, so the range is going to be 30 centimeters.